Hey there, if you have overripe bananas in your kitchen and you're looking for the perfect banana bread recipe, you've clicked on the right video. This is the Lotus Biscoff Banana Bread. It is super delicious, super moist, and it's crunchy at the top and it's fast to put together. So let me show you how. The first thing you need to do is to prepare your pan. Here I'm using oil. You can choose to use butter, and then you go ahead to line your pan like so. And then you get a large mixing bowl and you're going to mash your bananas. You can choose to blend them if you want them super smooth, but I love the mashed bananas. So here is me officially wishing you a happy new year. Welcome to year 2025. I pray that this year will be filled with so much joy, love, and endless success. And now let's take a pledge. We need to do that. So let's pledge that this year we're going to be the best baker on the planet. So help me God. So now back to our recipe. I've added in my oil, and then I've added in my eggs. So this is like a one bowl recipe. You're just going to add all your wet ingredients in a bowl, then followed by your dry ingredients. So I've added in my Greek yogurt, followed by the flavor and my sugar. So I'm using brown sugar and light brown sugar and white sugar. So you're just going to mix everything up together. You know, there's this phrase I heard some time ago that the best recipe you can get is a recipe that starts with a bowl and a whisk, and I totally agree with that because this cake is super delicious and easy to put together and so good. So now I'm going to sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon powder before adding it into the wet ingredients. Now I'm going to get my wet ingredients and I'm going to pour the flour into it and I'm going to mix together. Please do not overmix to avoid getting tough banana bread after baking. We want our bread to be soft and moist, okay? So I'm considering starting a banana bread series on the channel. I'll be showing you different variants of banana bread recipes like red velvet banana bread, chocolate banana bread, and coconut banana bread a lot. So look out for this series and let me know in the comment section if you're excited about this. So now after mixing with your whisk, you have to go in with your spatula so that you'll be sure that everything is well mixed in. You scrape from the bottom to the top and all the sides, okay? Now I'm going to get my prepared pan and I'm going to pour half of the batter into it and I'm going to layer it with some crushed cookies, some crushed Biscoff cookies, and then I'll top it up with the rest of the batter. So remember, as usual, I always leave the written recipe with full list of ingredients and measurements in the description box below, so always check the description box for the recipes. Now I'm going to cover up my batter, spread it out evenly, and then I'm going to top it with some generous amount of salted caramel. I have salted caramel recipe on the channel. Go through my channel and you're going to see there, or you can check the description box for the link to watch my salted caramel recipe. And after that, top it with more crushed Lotus Biscoff cookies and then just add 2 on top to make it look beautiful. And you bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 45 minutes. And this is our Lotus Biscoff banana bread. It is super delicious and the aroma is out of this world. So you're going to allow it to cool down completely before you cut into it. I just cut because of the purpose of this video. So you just cut your banana bread and enjoy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and will consider giving this recipe a try. As always, I am very appreciative of your support for the channel and I hope you'll continue to support the channel and support my recipes. So please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post my next video. Thanks so much for watching and happy baking!